Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. About number 2, we can do about factorization. And you got about s squared plus 9 over 2s plus 2. 9 over 2, we need to put about 2 multiplied by 9 over 4. So that means we need to add about 9 over 4 square. Later that we need to minus 9 over 4 square. Because I want to create about identity in here. And this one you will got about 49 over 16. So this one we change for s plus 9 over 4 to the power of 2. Next, we need to use about integration by trigonometric substitution. So we put this one equals to 9 over 4 secant of t, because if we put this one go in here, you will got about 49 over 16, and we can do about factorization of this number in here. Secant of t to the power of 2 minus 1. After doing factorization, we change for tan t square, and later that we simplify the s. We do first the derivative for the both sides, and you got about 7 over 4 secant of t tan t dt. So this one we put in here. The s we change for this one. So this one we got about 49 over 16 secant of t square. So 49 over 16 we can do about factorization. And this one we change for tan t square. Now we simplify tan t and the number in here. So we will got about 2 over 7 secant of t over tan t. And we have dt. Secant of t, that's about 1 over cosine t. Tan t, that's about sine t over cosine t. So cosine t and cosine t we simplify. And this one we change for cosecant of t. The integration of this one you got about negative ln of the absolute value of cosecant of t plus cotan t, and we put about c. About t in here, we need to return back to this one. So we divide both sides by 7 over 4. And we got about t equal to a secant of this one. So we put this one to replace for t. And this is the final answer. Now let's go to the next one. For this one, We know that's 15, that's about 16 minus 1. So this is about identity. We can put about ax plus 4 to the power of 2. Now we can use about integration by trigonometric substitution. So I will put about u equals to ax plus 4 equals to secant of t. So if we put this one go in here, you will go about secant of t square minus 1, and we change for tan t square. Later that we simplify by dx. So we do first the derivative for the both sides. You go about a dx equal to secant of t tan t dt. Because we don't have a in here, so we divide both sides by a. This one we change for secant of t. Dx we change for this one. Secant of t square minus 1 we change for tan t square. And now we simplify tan t tan t. Secant of t we change for 1 over cosine t. Tan t we change for sine t over cosine t. Now we simplify cosine t cosine t. And this one we change for cosecant of t dt. And we got the final answer. About t in here, we need to return back to this one. So we got about t equal to secant of ax plus 4. And we put this one to replace for t. And that's the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching. Here is about the full answer of the question in here.